This is Ian, author of Google Drive in Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about freezing rows in Google Sheets. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. I have this very simple Google Sheets that has some data in it, and you can see I've already formatted the header. I've shown how to do that in another video. But when I scroll down, you can see that the header disappears. And that's not ideal because I want to keep this header at the top of the screen so I can see exactly what row I'm looking at. Easy way to do that is go to View, Freeze, and then select one row. So now when I scroll down, you can see the header stays there. Now let's say that I wanted to do it a little bit differently. Let's say I wanted to actually get the first two rows. Same thing, go to View, Freeze, and select two rows. So now the top two rows are being frozen as I scroll down. Let's change it up a little bit more. Let's say that I want to freeze the first 5 rows, but then leave the other ones scrollable. So select row 5, go to View, Freeze, up to row 5. This will change depending on what row you've selected. So I've selected row 5. I'm going to select up to row 5, and now you can see all 5 rows are static while the ones below are scrolling just fine. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to in30minutes.com or in30minutes.biz, you'll see that I've written a book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. It also covers Google Sheets. It's a very affordable book. It's a great reference to have if you're using Google Docs a lot, or if you're just trying to learn how to use these different applications, including Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.